page expired error. And here also you can see guys 419 unknown status error. Okay, it is I'm getting this error. You can see, I'll show you once again. You can see here guys, I'm doing payment. Okay, means 10 and email ID I'm taking. Then when I'm submitting, means when I'm clicking on button, that time I'm getting this error 419. Okay, I'll show you the code. So this is my code and this is my form where I'm submitting the form. Okay, means when I'm clicking on this button, I'm getting that error. So guys, if you're facing this same error, then what you need to do, just go in your form, and here you can see after form, here we need to take CSRF token. Okay, at CSRF token, see if you're submitting any error, we need to generate one token which is for security purpose. Okay guys, so this is most important that we need to take at CSRF token, then only we can submit the form, and our form is also, it will work if you use this at CSRF token. So now we'll see whether it will work or not. Okay, I have written here at CSRF, just below this form we need to write. Okay, don't write outside and all. Then next we will go in our code, in our form, and here we will one thing I'll tell you, this form is in Laravel. Okay, this is you can see here guys, here it is bled file, and here it is a Laravel form where I'm submitting form or where I'm doing the payment. But while doing payment, I'm getting that error, that is 419 page. Okay, so this is important that in which language I'm doing that, right? So it is Laravel. Then now you see guys, if I'm doing 10 rupees payment, and this I'll take email ID, and now you can see guys, I'm paying the amount. Now we will not get any error. You can see guys, I'm not getting any error and it is working fine now, right? This error you can ignore, no, don't worry about this. It is just, maybe can ignore that. Okay, you can see guys, it is working, right? So see guys, if you're submitting any forms and all, that time we need to take at CSRF token, then only it is secured. So we need to use that. Okay, I hope guys you like this video, because here we are solving a problem. So if you're liking my videos, then guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press on bell icon as well. Okay, so thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.